नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर अनिल शर्मा, प्रोफेसर एंड हेड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कार्डियोलॉजी, बॉम्बे हॉस्पिटल। और आज हम लोग बात करेंगे हार्ट फेलियर के बारे में। हार्ट फेलियर does not mean that heart is not at all functioning. It means either heart is not able to fill completely or is to eject completely. It means it is not working which it is supposed to do. So there can be two kind of heart failure. One is systolic heart failure or heart failure with reduced ejection fraction, which is not able to pump. One. Other is diastolic heart failure or heart failure with preserved ejection fraction, means heart is able to pump but it is not able to fill enough blood, so it cannot give enough blood supply. Normally the prevalence, that is how many persons are affected, it is 1 to 2% population is affected by heart failure. Less than 65 years of the age, roughly 1% population. More than 65, it may be even up to 10 to 20% depending on the age. Those who have diabetes, blood pressure, obesity, and those who have blocks in the coronary arteries, that is coronary artery disease, these are one of the high risk. Other things may be those who are alcoholic, maybe some valvular heart disease, maybe some congenital heart disease. So these are the common reasons for, because of these conditions, heart is not able to pump or it is not able to relax or fill enough. The first important thing is to know what is the cause. As I said, it can be a pumping problem, that is a systolic problem, contraction. Other is just relaxation feeling problem. So we need to know the cause, whether it is because of uncontrolled diabetes or obesity or maybe high blood pressure or blockage in the coronary arteries or alcohol. So we need to treat the cause. What is the basic cause of heart failure? Then second thing is the drugs about the heart which reduces the load on the heart. There are basically 3-4 kind of medicines which we give to the heart patient. One which is taking care of the volume. So they take blood, they take out the water out of the body. We have to take less salt. That is one. That is a diuretic and water control, restriction of the water and salt intake issue. Second thing is about the kidney. That is a renin-angiotensin system, for which we give the medicines which affect this RAS system. Other medications are which affect on the sympathetic activity of the body. So these are beta blockers. And third thing, which is working on the natriuretic peptides. These are the recent medicines like ARNI we are giving. One more medicine group which is we are giving, which is medicine which are given for like diabetes, SGLT2 inhibitors, now using for those with the suffering from the heart failure. Other thing we have to take, that patient is not suffering from anemia, because the lack of blood itself can put heart on the lot of load. So that is the how we give medicines. Plus there are certain way of treatment like devices are there, like even we can do angioplasty or valve replacement, bypass surgery, or maybe implantable cardio defibrillator or cardio resynchronization therapy, that is CRT. So n number of therapies are there, which I am a specialist of these therapies. But basically water intake, fluid intake and salt restriction from patient point of view, control of the risk factors like diabetes, blood pressure, cholesterol and obesity by good diet and exercise. So most important thing, it is one of the major risk factor for life, because it is even maybe equally or maybe more dangerous than some of the cancers. Those who are suffering from the critical heart failure, 20% died every year and 50% die within 5 years. So don't take it lightly. But the other hand, don't hesitate, don't be panic. There are treatments are available in the form of prevention, medical management, as well as rehabilitation and intervention also. So go to the nearest doctor, know what is the cause. And second important thing, like normally what we get the messages in the WhatsApp, they take enough blood, enough water, 2 liter water, 3 liter water, 4 liter water. So that is the only thing. Why again repeating, I am that salt less, water less. These two things are not good for the heart failure patients. And just relax and get the whatever best treatment from the nearest available cardiologist. So as I said, there are two kinds of heart failure. One is less pumping, that is a systolic heart failure. Maybe most commonly it is because of lack of blood supply to the heart. That can be done by doing angioplasty and maybe, though rarely, bypass surgery. So increasing blood supply to the heart to making the heart more powerful, and then controlling diabetes very strictly, controlling blood pressure, doing regular exercise, maybe isotonic exercise, but then take opinion of your doctor. So control your risk factors, control the comorbidities, go to your doctor and take regular treatment. The important thing is patient start the treatment, and after some time they stop taking medicine themselves. That is one of the worst thing. And second thing, they start taking lot of things which contain salts and water. So that you have to take care.